Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the right Google account. This is crucial. Open Google Drive on web or app and type the exact file name in the search bar. Once done, apply filters, type, owner or date modified to reduce clutter and find the file faster. If you still see many results, add a distinct word from the document or use quotes. Make sure the file appears with the expected icon so you know its format before opening. You now open the file, double-click to preview it, or right-click and select Open with to choose an app. If you intend to edit, select Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. Those keep version history and autosave. Once done, if the file's in an incompatible format, make a copy and convert it to a native Google format to edit safely. Also, attach any connected third-party apps if you need specific viewers. This step prevents accidental overwrite, and you finish by editing, Google autosaves your changes continuously, so there's no manual save. When done, export via file download to get PDF, DocX, or XLSX formats for offline use. Next, set share permissions, viewer, commenter, or editor, and send access requests if collaborators need rights. If you can't open the file, check permissions first, then clear browser cache, try incognito, or request access from the owner. This troubleshooting tip resolves most access failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.